What's going on, guys? So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how two Bose S1 would sound in mono versus how it will sound in stereo mode. So before you'll be able to put this two Bose S1 in stereo mode, you will have to pair them wirelessly via Bluetooth first. So I did made a video showing you guys how to connect two Bose S1 Pro wirelessly via Bluetooth. I will leave that in the description box below so you can check that video out if you need help with connecting two Bose S1 via Bluetooth wirelessly. So now that you have the two Bose S1 connected wirelessly via Bluetooth, go ahead and head to the Bose Connect app here, and at the bottom of the app, as you can see here, it have a little switch. You can simply hit this switch to turn the audio into stereo mode, and it will sound very nice. So now let's go ahead and quickly play a audio clip to show you guys. So this first audio clip, I will start playing it in mono mode, and then I will switch over to stereo mode and show you guys the difference. So here goes, guys. So there you have it, guys. So personally, I love to listen to both Bose S1 Pro in stereo mode. It sounds much better, and the audio quality is just distributed evenly between the two Bose S1 Pro so well that the experience to listen to the music is just so much better in stereo mode. Now, when it is in mono mode, of course, it still sounds good, but it just isn't the same as when it is in stereo mode. So guys, tell me what you think in the comment section below, and just like always, if you are in the market for a speaker, these two are the ultimate and the best PA speaker in my opinion. So I will leave a link to where I got this speaker in the description box below. Feel free to check that out, guys. And again, thanks everybody for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.